Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Tradesyncer review. Tradesyncer is a cloud-based platform designed for future traders and those managing multiple brokerage accounts. It allows you to define a lead account and replicate trades in real time across follower accounts on platforms like NinjaTrader, TradingView, Rhythmic Tradeovate, DXFeed, and Volatrica. To get started, sign up on a Tradesyncer website, agree to the terms, and register your account. Once logged in, connect your lead and follower accounts securely via API. On the dashboard, you can monitor equity, configure copy settings, and customize alerts to track open and close trades, errors, or performance metrics. Tradesyncer supports flexible sizing, cross platform execution, and cloud based reliability, making it ideal for scaling. For more guidance, visit the Help Center for user guides, API documentation, and support. With your accounts linked and settings configured, any trade executed in your lead account is mirrored instantly across all followers' accounts, streamlining your trading workflow efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.